Welcome to Alpha Online Education, Commerce Theory part for first years and the second chapter, that is business activities. We are discussing the classification of industries, and this is the continuation of the fifth industry, that is construction industry. It take up the work of construction. So what type of constructions this industry will do? Buildings, construction of buildings, bridges, roads, dams, etc., canals. These all work is undertaken by the industry, that is construction industry. The construction industry will take up the work of these all types of constructions. So, goods produced and sold by the construction industry. The goods what are being produced and sold by the construction industry set up in one place, means those can't be taken to any market. Those can't be taken to any shop, whether it is a wholesaler shop or retailer shop, because those are fixed to a particular place. Because building, can we carry the building? బిల్డింగ్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇంకో ప్లేస్కి తీసుకెళ్ళగలుగుతామా? నో, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. బ్రిడ్జెస్, కెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ పాసిబుల్? నో. రోడ్స్, డ్యామ్స్, దిస్ ఆల్ ఆర్ పాసిబుల్? నో. దట్స్ వై ద గూడ్స్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ప్రొడ్యూస్డ్ అండ్ sold by the construction industries, those are fixed to a specific place. They are fixed to a particular place, that is constructive industry. And later service industry. This is very most important industry for the development of the nation. Okay, service sector play an important role in the development of the nation. What I am saying, that is only that the service sector is the most important thing for the development of the nation. The nation can be developed with the development of the service industries. So what are fall under the category of the service industry means hotel industry, restaurants, hotels, whatever it there, the providing the food facilities, and some of the hotels are there where you can stay. Yes, and you can also conduct meetings. Those industry is hotel industry. Okay. Banking industry, financial transactions, those also fall under the category of the service industry. And tourism, this is related with the tourist. For example, some person came from Goa నుంచి కొంతమంది వచ్చిండ్రు to Hyderabad. They came to Hyderabad to see the Charminar, Golconda, okay, this Salagium museum. They want to see, they want to visit it. So at the time the tourism department person, one person, tourist, see he will pick up the tourist, if there are celebrities, okay, if there are celebrities who are coming from the Goa, if there are celebrities, then one of the candidate from the tourism department or tourism industry will be sent along with the tourist as a guide. Okay, tourist guide laga పంపించడం జరుగుతుంది. So he will show the total Hyderabad city, what are the famous temples and what are the famous places of Hyderabad. Okay, and afterwards entertainment industry, cinema halls. Okay, entertainment industry means cinema halls and some of the entertainment related programs like magic shows, those are come under the entertainment industries. So this is very important for the development of the nation. It will increase the income of the nation. So these industry, the service industry is also very most important industry, construction industry and service industry. Now let us see about the classification of industry. What is the classification of industry? We will see in this class itself. So what are the, now let us see the classification of industries, how the industries are classified. See, this is only the topic what we have covered in part 2 and part 3. This is the classification of industries. The industries are broadly classified into how many categories? 6 categories. Yes, the industries are classified into 6 categories. One is the primary industry, second one genetic industry, and the third one is extractive industry, fourth manufacturing industry, fifth construction industry, and the sixth one is service industry. Let us see what is a primary industry. Nature oriented, it is completely related with the nature and less human effort. Human effort is very less, it is related with the nature. Whereas come to genetic industry, it is concerned with reproduction and multiplication of plants and animals. Reproduction and multiplication of plants and also animals. Extractive industry, extract the goods from the soil, air, water. It will extracting the goods from soil, air and water. After that, manufacturing industry. We have here transferring of raw material into finished good. The raw material is converting into the finished good with the help of man and machine. With the help of man and machine. Construction of building under the constructive industry. Construction of building, bridges, dams, canals, etc. Those are fall under the category of the constructive industry. That is connected with the constructive industry. It is produced and sold in a particular area which is fixed. It can't be variable. Next, service industry, which is very important industry for the development of the nation. That is not engaged in production. It is not engaged in any kind of production of goods or anything, but it is engaged in the service to the nation, to the society. And for example, we can take it as the example of these hotel industries, banking sectors, entertainment industries, tourism industries will fall under the category of the service industries. Let us see the classification of manufacturing industry. The manufacturing industry is broadly classified into again 4 categories. The first category is analytical industry. The first one is analytical industry, analyzing. Synthetic industry, processing industry and assembling industry, means gathering all the things, that is assembling industries. So this is the classification of industries, which is very most important question for the first years in the chapter, that is business activities. Thank you, ma. Do your work as usual. Do your work hard, and also try to practice more writing, and also complete the topics what have been completed. Okay.